What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a Mitchell&ness Michael Jordan 1992 authentic jersey. So 1992 was the first time that NBA players were allowed to participate in Olympic competition. And the basketball team that was assembled for those 92 Olympics was ridiculous. And they earned the name the Dream Team because they were just that. I mean, this team was just ridiculous. I mean, it featured Magic Johnson, Larry Bird, Karl Malone, and Michael Jordan. And out of that whole team, 11 of those players actually ended up in the Hall of Fame. So basically the world had no shot from jump competing against this 92 Olympic team. And if you look back at footage of those games, it's basically like men amongst boys, and we pretty much dominated the whole tournament. And it was pretty much no surprise to anyone when this 92 Dream Team went on and captured the gold medal in those Olympics. So if you're interested in possibly picking up this Mitchell&ness jersey, what we're going to do today is I'm going to unbox this jersey. We're going to do a full detailed review. I'm going to hit you with an on body, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts on this Mitchell&ness authentic Michael Jordan Dream Team jersey. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. But if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could do these things that I like and hit that like button for me, and if you're new or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. I remember that 1992 Dream Team very vividly, even though I was a little kid. I mean, the merch was everywhere. They were on the Wheaties boxes, you know. It was all over TV, and they pretty much dominated the whole entire world with the team that they assembled. But basically what I'm trying to say is, like, that was a big deal. First time that NBA players were allowed to compete, and we just pretty much destroyed the rest of the world. So recently, as I was browsing mitchell&ness.com, I came across this Team USA Michael Jordan jersey. And the jersey normally has a $300 retail price tag. But Mitchell&ness actually had this jersey on clearance for $255, so I decided to pick it up since, you know, it was a deal. I just couldn't let this one go. Like, I had to pick it up. It seemed like a very good price for an authentic jersey. So let's get right into it, guys. So here, this is how the jersey comes, and I'm going to show you just an up-close clip so you know what to expect if you do end up purchasing this jersey, is how it's packaged and everything like that. And it is in your typical Mitchell&ness bag, and it has some tissue paper. So let's get into it. Alright, so there's a piece of tissue paper in the front of the jersey and the back of the jersey. And here we go. Bam! And guys, I gotta be honest, you know, as far as, you know, just the way my first impression goes, I really didn't think I was gonna like this jersey, you know, as much as I like other Jordan jerseys. But man, like, in hand, the colorway does really come alive, you know, with your red, white, and blue. And this obviously features the number 9 that Michael Jordan wore during the Olympics. And any authentic jersey that you can get for $250, especially from Mitchell&ness, is normally, you know, a pretty good deal. But now that I got this jersey out of the bag, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at this Michael Jordan Team USA jersey. So here's our first up-close look at this Michael Jordan Dream Team jersey. So starting at the top, you have your white Mitchell&ness tag, and below that you have your red size tag, and this is a size 44 large. Then here you have your NBA.com tag. On the other side it says Hardwood Classics. And then you have your Mitchell&ness tag. And on the other side, here's your retail price tag of $300. Now in the middle of the jersey, you're going to have your USA basketball team graphics. And this is all screen printed. Mitchell&ness is trying to go, you know, true to what the actual players wore on the court in 92. And all their jerseys were screen printed, not stitched. And then below that, you're going to have the number 9 that Michael Jordan wore. And once again, guys, this is also screen printed, not stitched. Now on the bottom left hand side of the jersey, you're going to have your Mitchell&ness jock tag. And it says 1992 Michael Jordan USA Basketball Classics. And this is a size 44 large. And this is all embroidered into the jersey. Inside the jersey, you'll have your laundry tag. And this is 100% polyester. And this was made in China. Now on the back of the jersey, the Jordan name is also screen printed, and the number 9 is screen printed as well, just like it is on the front of the jersey. Overall, this jersey is pretty nice. I mean, as far as the quality goes from the actual jersey itself. And it is an iconic, jersey, iconic player, iconic time period. So I'm glad to have this in the collection. I do wish that everything on this, as far as the graphics, numbering, and lettering, were stitched, but this is how the jersey comes. So let me go ahead and throw this thing on and show you what it looks like on body. So guys, at the time of this recording, Mitchell&ness is still selling this jersey, and it's still on sale for $255. So if you're interested in picking this up, go over to the website and see if they still have your size available. Now when it comes to this jersey, it is true to size, so buy your typical size that you would normally wear. It is pretty comfortable. The quality of the actual material of the jersey is very, very nice. One thing I am disappointed about is, as far as the graphics and the lettering and numbering, it's all screen printed. But Mitchell&ness was trying to make it authentic to that 92 jersey that the Dream Team actually wore. I'd feel a little bit more badly about this purchase if I actually paid the full $300 for it. But for $255, I feel like it's a pretty good deal. And I did get this jersey into my collection, which I didn't have prior. So, I am happy to add this to the collection. Now you can actually get these 92 alternate from Tinker Hatfield. This is the Jordan 7, and they feature the number 9 on the back of the shoe and everything like that. And guys, I picked these up probably about 6 months ago, brand new for $100 on eBay. And as I was looking on eBay, these do go for pretty cheap. So you can just add this to your wardrobe, and they match very, very nicely. So if you're looking for a pair of shoes to go with this, definitely look into the Jordan 7 and also the regular Jordan 7 Olympics. It's a little bit of a different colorway than this, but it's the OG ones. You can still pick those up as well, in places eBay, StockX, Goat, places like that. But they do go for a little bit of money, so, so if you'd rather have those ones, check those places out. But let me know down in the comment sections, what do you think about this authentic Mitchell&ness Michael Jordan jersey? Is this a jersey that you already have or something you're interested in picking up? Drop a comment down below and let me know. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you bounce out, if you could please hit that like button for me, I'd really appreciate it. And if you're new or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.